Hello traders. In this video, I want to speak about Euro USD and I'll make a technical analysis on this pair. This is simply to help us understand where we have the highest probability for the next potential move. So currently Euro USD is trading at 1.15129 when we look at the market from the daily time frame. And it is important to note that the flow of this market from this daily time frame has been a kind of bearish. Okay, so if we take a look from here, after this high here, price has been bearish. Okay, so and after we've seen that price has been bearish, we saw a couple of consolidation here where the market has been kind of idle or stagnant, not until price finally makes some push to the upside after the Fed interest rate cut from the United States. So right now, price is at 1.15129, and in today's trading session, which is we are still in Asian session, by the way. The London session is yet to open officially. We're seeing that price is currently finding a resistance here, okay, which is today's and slightly previous days high. So here we have um, current resistance. So we have the current resistance here. Okay, so we have current resistance around the 1.15327. So what are we likely going to expect from the market today? By the way, today we have inflation rate coming from the euro. We have inflation rate, the one for year over year and the one for preliminary. So this is a crucial macroeconomic report, and it's going to impact price. So what are we likely going to expect? So I would like to take a look at one time frame higher before I will now go to a trading time frame. So with that being said, I would like to look at the 5 years data, which is weekly time frame. Now, when we look at the weekly time frame here, we can identify something. We can see that price has dramatically moved from 1.04, which is from here. We've seen a very strong and massive surge to the upside to this current price where it is trading right now. And here we've seen that after this pullback here, price pushed up, pulled back again, pushed up, pulled back, pushed up, slightly higher as we can see. It rejected and price pulled back. We saw this recent high here, which was not able to pass the previous high, and price also declined. So all of these things right here is just showing you that price is stable. Okay, it is just showing you that people are transacting at that moment. There is at that price level, there is high volume. Okay, so that's what it simply means. So as we look at the higher time frame, which is this 5 years data, we have seen that price is actually bullish, but at the moment it is trading at a very stable price. That means we can easily do buying and selling. There is high liquidity around that level. So having that in mind, I can now drop down to a trading time frame. So trading time frame, I would like us to look at the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here is the 1 hour time frame. As I said earlier, that price is just bearish. We can envisage that, or we can see that clearly from this area here. So now, in the past few hours here, we've been seeing a strong buy momentum. We've been seeing how price has been pushing strongly from this low to forming a high here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high before we started seeing this pullback. So the question now is this the resistant level of this market? Are we likely going to see a situation where price will drop from here? Well, we can get the answer to our question when we take a clear look here. Now, for us to position for a sale, and before we can accept to sell this market from here, we can as well wait to see if price is likely going to break through this mini support level here. Yes, we have a mini support around the 1.14399. Okay, so this is where I'm talking about. We have a little kind of support here. So we have this immediate support level. So here is the immediate support which I will be monitoring price to see if it's gonna break. So inside of this consolidation here is where we'll be looking to see how market is going to react. Okay, so price is in a tight consolidation now, which as news is going to be released by 1 o'clock, just like 8 o'clock Eastern time, that is EST, we're likely going to see either a break to the upside or a break to the downside. But from my own point of view, I am looking forward to see a break below this immediate support so that we can accept to sell this market. So if that price is accepted, then we are going to see a further decline in this pair. Okay, but for now, we are still seeing a strong bullish momentum in this market. So if the immediate support is broken, then we will position ourselves for a sell opportunity. So that's the analysis on Euro USD. I will keep you guys updated later in the day. Thanks for watching.